A very good morning to all of you. Namaste, all the students. I am Dr. Shruti Mishra, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will going to discuss about the challenges of the OB. In the previous class, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the nature, meaning, and the concept about OB. And now today we will discuss about the challenges of OB, and what type of challenges that OB is facing. The first one is that globalization to respond. Because in today's scenario, the globalization is increasing, like increasing by day and night. And it is very important for all the organizations to deal with the globalization. So organizational behavior is having the old concepts, right? Having the old strong concepts. But with the dealing with the changes, not always possible for OB to deal with the globalized changes as well. So it is quite difficult, and sometimes it is very difficult to deal with the globalization, to respond to the globalization with its old strong concepts, right? So second one is managing the diversity. It is not easy always to manage the organization's employees, because organizations employees are coming from the different background, different ethnicity, different mindset, different values, cultures, norms, beliefs, right? So managing those people and dealing with them in the same organization is quite difficult for the people. So that is another challenge of the organizational behavior. Next one is improving the quality and the productivity. Yes, it is always difficult to improve the quality and improve the productivity of the organization, of the employees, as it is quite difficult because we are dealing with the globalization, because we are dealing with the diversity of people, because we are dealing with unknowing and foreseeing changes, right? So it is difficult, it is a challenging job for the organizational behavior. Improving the customer service means it is difficult for the for always for the organization to deal with the customer needs and to respond back in the same way, because customer are having with a different mindset. They are coming to your organization, or they are purchasing the product with a different mindset. So it is not always possible for the organization to deal with those changes, or to deal with those different types of customer needs and wants in the organization. So it's another challenge of the organizational behavior. Coping with the temporariness means things are very temporary nowadays, right? Because they are rapidly changing. So with that, OB need to make a pace with those changes. So it is difficult for the organizations to deal with those changes in a very frequent manner. So that is another challenge of the OB. Working in the networked in organization, working in that in organization which is actually having the web connection with each and every employee. So if someone is having the problem, it will definitely communicate it to the next employee, and it will be get viral, or it will be get it will be get viral in among the all the employees. So it will be difficult to manage all the employees with the same type of information, and holding them in the one organization. That is another challenge of the OB. Helping the employees in balance the work life conflict. It is difficult for the organizations to having the work life balance, and to having the work life balance, and also to dealing with the conflict of the work life balance, because those conflicts actually make an impact in the organizational effectiveness. Those conflict actually make an impact on the productivity of the people. So that basically means that is another challenge of the OB. Creating the positive work environment. Obviously, it is important, and it is quite difficult for the employees to have a work environment which is actually positive. So it is really quite tough for the organizations to make an environment which should be positive, which should be workable, and which should be employees should feel positive and optimistic over there. So these are certain challenges of the organizational behavior. I hope you have learned from this class. This class would be lucrative for you guys, and I would rather say thank you for this attending this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Uh, Thank you so much, student. Have a great day. We'll have a new session with new things. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.